Part 27. We are going to continue with ordering. You will find this on page 33 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Let's look at example 36. List the followings in order of size, starting with the smallest. Now look, this is a vulgar fraction, this is a decimal percentage. They must be all in the same form. So the best form will be to make everything a decimal fraction. So make it, say 1 divide 3 and write down the decimal. Okay, this is just 0.3, but remember, after the 3, we can put zeros. 0.29, and remember, if you want to make this percentage a decimal, you divide by 100. So you get 0.32, again zeros. Okay, now I must start with the smallest. Now, start comparing the positions. Let's first look at the unit. 0, 0, 0, 0. I cannot compare. Look at the first decimal place. This is 3, this is 3, this is 2, and this is 3. So this one will be the smallest. Now, as soon as you write it in the original form. So don't write this, especially with this one, write the original. And remember to scratch it. Okay, so this is the smallest one. Okay, which one follows then? Now, if I look at the next position, now look here, look at the next position. This is a 3, this is a 0, this is a 9, and this is a 2. Okay, remember we are writing it from the smallest. So if I look at this, then this 0 will be the smallest. Remember to write the original form. Okay, scratch it, it's out. Now I will look. This is a 2 and this is a 3. So this is the biggest one. So this one, don't write this. Write the original form, 32%. And then this one is the biggest. Again, don't write 0.333. Write the original form. And that's a third. If I want to put the inequality signs, remember, the mouth of the inequality sign always look towards the big one. So it's looking in this direction. Okay. I want you to try now 36. You can stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Okay, try now. (36). Okay, let's first write it down as it stands there. So it's 3/4, 0.7, 0.76, and 74%. Okay, now if I look at this, I will first get it in the same form. So let's make it decimals. So in the same form, this will be 0.75. This will be 0. Remember, you can put a 0. This will be 0.76. And if you divide it by 100, 0.74. Okay, now let's start comparing. They said starting with the largest. Okay, and descending. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0. Tells me nothing. This is 7, 7, 7, 7. Again, I cannot compare that. Let's look at this one. 5. Oh, here it starts. 0, 6, 4. So which one will be the biggest one? 0.76. So 0.76. Scratch it. Okay. Which one is the next one? It's the one with the 5. Don't write 0.75. Write the original form. And that is 3/4. Scratch it. Okay. And then which one then? 0.74. And that's 74%. Scratch it. And then the last one is 0.7. And that will be in descending order. Okay. So if I want to put inequality signs, okay, let me just show you. If I want to put in inequality signs between them, I will put the inequality signs like this. The mouth, again, look towards the biggest one. Okay, let's look at the next example. Example 37. Fill in the symbols, make each statement true. Again, exactly like in the previous example. Let's just move it up a little bit. You cannot compare it if the one is a vulgar fraction and the one is a decimal. So make it in the same form. So say, press on your calculator, 2 divide 8 and you get 0.25. So if you if you do that, you say, oh, they are equal, and then you just put an equal sign. It's again the best to put it there in between the original form. Again, this, work it out, do the calculation, then you get 8. And then this is 20. And which one is the biggest one? 20. And the mouth look towards the biggest one. Okay. I want you to do the following. Do number 1, C, number 2, B, and number 3, C. Okay. Stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Just like, let's just make space. Okay. Let's start. Try now 37. Okay. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, and I asked you to do number C. Now, first write it as it stands there. It's the cube root of 64, and that's 4. Now, if you press this on your calculator, you will get 4. And can you see that this will be what? Equal. So you can put an equal sign in between that. Okay. If I look at the next one, number 2, B. So this is 35%, and this is 7/20. So if you first, let's make it a decimal. And if you make it a decimal, we are just going to say divide by 100. So I get 0.35. Press 7, divide by 20. I also get 0.35. So this is equal, and I can put an equal sign there. Okay. And then number 3, C. This is now, it's 3 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. First work it out. You can press it on the calculator, or you can say 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3? That's 9. 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. And now you can see the mouth always look towards the big one. So this one will be the biggest one. And this is how we do sums where we put in inequalities or equal signs.